Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my cornrows. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and let's jump right into the video. And I'm so sorry, before we jump right into the video, kindly stay to the end because there's a particular tip I'm going to give you that no other natural hair YouTuber is going to give you. So stay to the end. Let's jump right into the video. In my last video, I showed you one of my major deep conditioner, which is the ginger and aloe vera. I got some comments, for example, someone saying something like, are you sure the next time I see you, I won't go ahead to eat up your hair? I think that's because I use a lot of kitchen ingredients on my hair, but that's by the way. So in this video, I just came to show you that, yay, I'm on cornrows, and I've made a video before on how to grow your hair on cornrows. This is like an updated version, so I would like to take you through what I do to my hair while I'm on cornrow. This is how I cornrow my hair. I don't go less than 10 to 15. This is because I don't like chunky cornrows. When my cornrows are chunky, I don't get the opportunity to put in my oil. And I've been on this cornrow for about 2 weeks now. The routine I want to show you, I already did it, but then I was like, oh my god, I would have just recorded a video showing my viewers or my new subscribers how I maintain my cornrow. So this is my cornrow. I'm pretty sure you can see that it looks moist. I already did my routine this morning, so yeah, my cornrow is about 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, this is how I do most of my cornrows. Like, even if it's not this style, the way it's going, I just make sure it's not less than 10. So also, when making your cornrow, make sure that you twist the end, because when you keep your hair on cornrows, especially when you are busy, you might not have the time to do your routine, especially taking care of the ends of your hair. So because of that lack of time, I just tell my hairdresser to help me to twist the ends of my hair instead of braiding them, because each time I braid them, they get tinier as they get to the end. So when you're trying to take them down, it's kind of difficult. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So my hair is twisted. So imagine I want to take down my cornrows. It's going to be super easy for me. From the ends, take my twist out. So yeah, that's basically it. So when I'm done on twisting, the next thing I want to do is to jump into my cornrows. So I'm going to have less breakage. So I'm just going to twist that back up. So I'm just going to jump into the things I do for my routine. Wild growth oil. I make use of the wild growth oil in between the spaces. You can see the importance of making tinier cornrows than the big chunky ones, so that you give your oil opportunity to penetrate your scalp. I already did this earlier, but then I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I apply my oil from space to space. Like, I apply it in all the spaces of my hair, from the front all the way to the back, and I do it for each row of my hair. Very important. And when I'm done with that, I would love to massage it in all my videos. I always talk about massaging. That's because of the great benefits and the great results I have gotten from massaging. Massaging, like I've said in thousands of my videos, don't mind, my videos are not yet up to 1,000. In a number of my videos, I say that massaging helps blood to circulate around your scalp, and this promotes hair growth. And also in one of my videos, I told you that baldness, when it was researched by someone, I don't know, but baldness is as a result of a little flow of blood in the scalp. So if a research can prove that baldness is as a result of lack of flow of blood in the scalp, that means when you massage your scalp more often, you are expected to achieve hair growth. And that has worked for me, and I believe it's going to work for you, because I was a girl who thought that I would never have edges, but this is me enjoying the edges, the nape, the crown, the everything. So after applying the oil in all the spaces of the cornrow, I go ahead to massage my hair from my edges to the ends of my hair to the back of my hair. I just make sure I massage my hair, and I do this for about 4 minutes. Apart from making use of wild growth oil, I have other oils that I make use of. I also mix oils, like I can mix castor oil and olive oil, you know, with a few drops of peppermint oil. All these things work perfectly. So coming to the ends of my hair, the first thing I want to do is spritz my hair with water. I'm spritzing my hair with water because my hair is low porosity and products find it hard to sit in, or will I say penetrate, without you having to squeeze the whole product in. I am 4C. If you have low porosity like me, make sure that every product you're applying, you try to squeeze them in, because my hair easily dries up. So I spritz water on the ends first before applying any treatment. I'm sorry I have to get this necklace out because sometimes my hair tends to tangle on them and then breaks off eventually. So after spritzing my hair with water, see, my hair already looks so good. Like, you know, the next thing I want to apply is Cantu Grow Strong. This video is not sponsored, but this is one of the major treatments I use on the ends of my hair. So I've been using this for a while now. It helps to strengthen fragile, weak hair and helps to stop breakage. It conditions and it also protects against heat and styling damage. This is how it looks like inside. I'm going to go in with this on the ends of my hair. I'm going to apply them, and like I said, it's important to squeeze in every product as long as you are 4C or low porosity. And I make use of this only at the ends of my hair because I feel like they are the most exposed to heat, dust, and whatever. So my squeezing in normally takes a few minutes, and when I'm done squeezing in, this is how my hair looks like. I'm going to be making use of this Betis extra virgin olive oil on the ends of my hair to seal in moisture. I just go in with a bit of my olive oil to seal in moisture. Oil is not a moisturizer. Oil helps to seal in moisture. That's after you are done moisturizing your hair, applying water, applying your conditioner before you apply oil. So I'm just going to go in and rub this oil into my hair, and like I did to my conditioner, I'm going to squeeze it in. And that's basically how I take care of my cornrows, and I do this 2 to 3 times a week. Just make sure that my hair is moisturized. So this is how my hair looks like after the whole moisture. Thank you for staying till this part of this video. I'm just going to give you an extra tip. The extra tip is coming to your edges. One of the major oil I make use of for my edges is edges specific regrowth formula. I've been using this oil for years now, and it's been really helping my edges. In fact, I have more edges than I imagined I was ever going to have using this oil. So this is the extra tip. This oil is made up of castor oil, coconut oil, extra virgin oil. I mean, this is one of the reasons why I love mixing oils, because when these oils are mixed together, they just do some kind of incredible work. There's fenugreek powder, there's hibiscus powder, there's onion, there's garlic, there's rosemary, and also essential oil blend. It's almost finished. So what I just do is I just apply the oil like this. I apply a bit to this part, like all the front of my hair. When I'm done applying, I'm just going to make sure to massage that in, and when I'm done massaging it in, I go and I do an extra of massaging this oil around my edges. I don't like my hair touching my back. I don't know why. I feel like my back or my clothing is going to rip or rub my ends off the whole oil I've put in. So most of the time I just love to like braid it back. When I'm done plaiting it all the way down, I just go ahead to tuck my hair away from my back or my clothing. So beautiful. If you enjoyed that video and you're not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post, you are going to be the first to know. I will see you on my next one. For now, bye.